friends, my name is Vinay. And once again I am back with another paper this time. This was of South Bangalore 28 March 2021 paper for Army GD students. So let us begin this. Already I have solved other papers also of maths. We'll be solving this paper as well. Right? So the first question which was asked in the examination, this is the original question paper of Bangalore South, Bangalore ARO, which was held on 2021. क्वेश्चन नंबर जो पहला है हमारा, ये है हमारा द बोट टेक्स 12 hours to travel 9 किलोमीटर इन द लोअर डायरेक्शन. बोट एंड स्ट्रीम्स का क्वेश्चन पूछा है. क्वेश्चन ये बोल रहा है कि सपोज सबसे पहले ये बोट है हमारी, ये बोट नीचे जा रही है 9 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस, 9 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस नीचे जा रही है इन हाउ मच टाइम? इन टाइमिंग 9 hours is given. Okay, and again it is given, okay fine, and in the lower direction of the impact, and 6 are to cover the same distance in the direction of flow. In the direction opposite to flow होना चाहिए, in the direction opposite to flow होना चाहिए, opposite to flow, क्योंकि एक इधर से इधर जा रहा है. सेकंड केस में क्या होगा? सेकंड केस में ये होगा कि ये जो बोट है नीचे से ऊपर जाएगी, the boat will go up, the boat will go up. Same 9 kilometer distance, it is going up in the timing how much? 6 hours. How much time it is taking? It is taking 6 hours. We have to find what will be the speed of the boat and the speed of flow and the speed of flow. Okay, so we have to find the speed of boat as well as speed of the river. Both the speeds we have to calculate. Okay, now in this cases this is the topic from boat and stream. ये topic का नाम है boat and stream, नाव और धारा. बोट एंड स्ट्रीम वाला टॉपिक है. ठीक है, तो याद रखिए बोट एंड स्ट्रीम वाले में सबसे पहले जब ये ऊपर से नीचे जा रहा है, बोट ऊपर से नीचे जा रहा है, तो इसको कहते हैं डाउन स्ट्रीम. और डाउन स्ट्रीम के केस में जो स्पीड आएगा सबसे पहले, स्पीड होगा हमारा डिस्टेंस बाय टाइमिंग. डिस्टेंस बाय टाइमिंग सबको पता है, डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम कितना है? डिस्टेंस इज 9 किलोमीटर एंड द स्पीड आई मीन टाइमिंग इज हाउ मच इट इज, सॉरी टाइमिंग कितना दिया है? 2 hours दिया है. सो टाइमिंग दिया है हमारा 2 hours, तो हमने लिखा यहाँ पे 2 hours, तो नीचे हमने लिखा 2 hours. So 9/2 is basically 4.5. This is what down speed, downstream speed बोल सकते हो इसको. And let us find the speed while going up. What is the speed when it is going up? The speed, this will be up speed, upstream speed you can say, या फिर up speed. So up speed is equal to again distance by timing, and distance by time when I do, distance is same 9 kilometer, timing taken is 6 hours. 3 2s are 3 3s are 3/2. If you simplify, you will be getting 1.5 kilometer per hour. This is 4.5 kilometer per hour. We got the two speed, downstream speed 4.5 है, और विपरीत दिशा में opposite ऊपर जाते टाइम, opposite direction, the speed of the total speed of the boat will be 1.5 kilometer per hour. क्वेश्चन इतना नहीं पूछा है, इसके भी आगे पूछा है. What will be the speed of boat and speed of water? Can you see speed of the boat? सभी का 3. अब speed of river, flow का मतलब क्या है? River है. हिंदी मीडियम हिंदी में देखें तो धारा की गति पता नहीं है, river speed how to find. So directly remember the formula I am giving. 2 more formulas. I just erase this part because we got this 2 speeds. So whenever, so first of all, whenever you have to find speed of boat, suppose the question is speed of boat is asked, the formula you have to remember, that is nothing but down speed, this plus up speed, upstream speed, this divided by 2. And if you want the speed of river, river is nothing but water, this is downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. Let us find the speed of river, because boat speed is same everywhere. Let us find the river speed. Down speed is how much? 4.5 और up speed कितना है? 1.5. दोनों का डिफरेंस करेंगे, आधे से आधा कट, 4 minus 3 कितना हो गया भैया? ये हो गया आपका 3 हो गया. ओके, and 3/2 is basically 1.5 kilometer per hour. ये है हमारा आंसर for this question. So option number D is having 1.5 km per hour. I hope you have understood moving ahead to the next question. Next question asked in that examination was about permutation and combination. कौन सा लेसन है ये हमारा है permutation and combination लेसन से. Okay, permutation and combination. So this was the re-examination which was held last time. Re-exam. So maths paper compared to the previous paper, they had been little थोड़ा सा upgrade किया था compared to your question. So simple question है वैसे तो permutation. Arise word is given. Using this arise, how many different word? I mean, how many letters of this word arise can be arranged? How many times can letters of the word arise be arranged? A-R-I-S, this is one. Then I can change S with E, E with S. I can shift R this side. So many words can be formed. What is the formula you have to remember directly in this case? So remember the formula in this case is count the number of letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just get 5 factorial. What is this 5 factorial? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 factorial. 5 factorial is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This you have to do. 5 4s are 20, 23s are 60, 62s are 120, 121s are 120. So 120 is the answer for our question. Extra question I will give. Suppose letter something different, cat was there. Suppose cat was there. How many letters these are? 1, 2, 3. So answer for this question will be 3 factorial, that is 3 into 2 into 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Answer for this question will be 6 ways. Suppose the question is lion, Lion. How many they are? 4. So 4 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 4 3s are 12, 2s are 24. Answer for this question will be 24. I hope you got this things. Moving ahead. Okay, with the next question. You may be thinking, what if the letters? One more confusing question is this. Sometimes some of the letter will repeat. So in that case, later additionally extra आपको याद रखना है क्या? जैसे मैं एक और देकर बताता हूँ जिसपे repeat हो जाता है. For example, apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. अब apple में काउंट किया 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो 5 फैक्टोरियल लिखोगे, बट ये गलत हो जाएगा क्योंकि P and P ये क्या हो रहा है? रिपीट हो रहा है. तो ये कितने बार रिपीट हुआ? 2 times रिपीट हुआ. तो this P and P got repeated how many times? 2 times. तो इसको डिवाइड करना है आपको divided by 2 से. ओके, सो कितने बार रिपीट हुआ? 2 टाइम्स रिपीट हुआ, इसलिए 2 फैक्टोरियल से डिवाइड. सपोज पीपीपी 3 बार आता था तो हम उसको डिवाइड बाय 3 फैक्टोरियल करते थे. जस्ट दिस मच एडिशनल यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. 5 फैक्टोरियल मीनिंग इज 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and 2 factorial is 2 into 1. Cancel. 5 4s are 20, 23 are 60. 60 different ways we can write this apple. I mean the words using the letters of the apple, different styles. So that's the answer. Product of rational and irrational number is how much? See here, rational numbers are the numbers like which can be represented, which can be written in the form of p by q. Okay, in this, what are rational numbers? All the whole number, natural numbers, all these numbers are basically rational number. Example also I will tell you. Examples, the numbers which can be represented in p by q form are even 4. 4 is a rational number. 4 by 1 करके लिख सकते हैं. Okay, 3 by 5 rational number. तो ये सारे numbers rational. आपने अगर rational पढ़ा है तो you know rational numbers are 4, 3 by 5. All these numbers are rational. What are irrational numbers? Irrational numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q. For example, root of 2 बोल सकते हो. Root of 2 क्योंकि इसकी जो वैल्यू आएगी आप देखो it will be non terminating and non recurring. तो non terminating non recurring मतलब root 2, non perfect squares example ऐसे root 7. These are all irrational numbers. So when we do the product of this and this, for example, let us take this number and this number. When we do the product 4 into root of 2, result will be always having root 2 terminated. रिजल्ट में हमेशा क्या होगा? रूट 2 इसके अंदर प्रेजेंट होगा. So product of rational and irrational is always a irrational number. You can take any number. Root 7 multiplied by this, always the result will be irrational. You have to remember this. Person sell 320 mango. Okay, at the cost price of 400 mangoes, what is the profit percentage? So you have to write sell. Write it like this: selling price of how many mangoes? 320 mango is equal to, okay, cost price of 400 mangoes. So write down this: selling price of 320 equal to cost price of 400. Many times this question has repeated in Army GD as well as the technical examination both. So what we will do, we will simplify it. Okay, what you can do, you can just take these numbers one side if you want. SP divided by, I will take CP from here to here I will take, and 320 I will shift it other side. So where this 320 will go? It will go this side. So let us find this thing. Let us find this, simplify it. 0 0 cancel. I can use 8 table. 8 5s are 8 4s are 32. Can you see everyone? SP आपका कितना है? सेलिंग प्राइस कितना है? 5. कॉस्ट प्राइस कितना है? 4. मतलब 4 रुपए का आइटम आपने खरीदा, उसको सेल कितने में किया? 5 रुपीस में. You purchased it for 4 and you sold it for 5 rupees. That means 1 rupees is what? Profit. You purchased for 4 rupees, cost price is 4, SP is 5. So profit कितना है? Profit है हमारा 1 रुपया. और profit percentage पूछा है, तो profit percentage क्या होता है? Profit percentage is nothing but profit by CP into 100. So profit is 1 divided by cost price. How much it is? 4 into 100. 1 by 4 into 100. Simplify it. You will be getting 25%. That's the answer. Option number. Moving ahead. Circumference of a triangle. Actually, circumference of a triangle नहीं बोलते इसे, perimeter of a triangle बोलेंगे. Perimeter. ठीक है, हिंदी मीडियम तो त्रिभुज की परिमाप, परिमाप करेक्ट है. मतलब sum of all the three sides. What do you mean by circumference? I mean perimeter, sum of all the three sides. For example, this is a triangle. This side plus this side plus this side is equal to how much? 600 meters. And if the ratio is 12, 13, 15, the ratio is 12, 13, 15. Longest side we have to find. See here, longest is this. And what is the sum? Total sum. What is the total sum of all the perimeter? This plus this plus this is 600 meter. तो आपको निकालना है longest ratio. अगर आपने पढ़ा होगा तो आपको पता है, if you have studied ratio you know longest this ratio I want, तो write down this ratio. नीचे क्या करना है? sum of all the three things. 12 plus 13 plus 15 क्या करना है? 12 plus 13 plus 15 इसका sum नीचे लिखना है into total जो आपको डिवाइड करना है यहाँ पे लिखिए. तो ये बेसिकली हो जाएगा कितना? ठीक है, 15 और ये 15 plus 13 is 28, 28 और ये 40 हो गया into basically 600. Let us simplify this. 4 is a 4, 4 15 is a 15 into 15, 225. 225 option है. Yes, that's the option. I hope you have understood. Suppose the question asked was the smallest. अगर क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे smallest कितना है, तो smallest है ये, smallest is 12. Then you have to write 12 divided by total 40 into total perimeter. Total what we have to divide that. So you can simplify these all things. 4 ones are 4 15s are 15 into 12, 180 meters. Suppose smallest is asked, this is the answer. Longest is asked 225. Yes. Moving ahead. 30% of this. So simple question है 30% of is multiply 1500 plus 600 is 2100. 0 0 0 0 21 3s are 63 and 0. 630 is the answer of the question. Time and work. This is from time and work लेकिन alternate ways है. Alternate, ठीक है? तो देखो यहाँ पर A B. A can do the work in 10 days. Yes. B can do the work in 15 days. So first step, always time and work वाले क्वेश्चन में, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में, इस टाइप के या बेसिक टाइप के, find the total work. Find the total work. अभी total work क्या है? LCM of 10 and 15. LCM of 10 and 15 क्या होगा? 30 होगा. ठीक है? क्या find करना है आपको? LCM of 10, 15. So this total work is nothing but LCM of 10, 15. How much it is? 30. So you just find it. मैंने शॉर्टकट मेथड से कैलकुलेट किया. 10 and 15 का LCM 30 है. Come on, 10 into which number? 10 3s are 30. 15 into which number is 30? 15 2s are So 3 unit per day, 2 unit per day. This is 1 day ka work. 1 day work. So how much these people are doing? Now the question is here. If A starts the work, okay, and both do the work alternately, days after days. Which what? 1st September he is working. 2nd September B work कर रहा है. 3rd September A will work. 4th September B will work. Like this shift wise they are doing. So basically, can you see? He made 3 units. He made 2 units. Totally A plus B. They made 3 plus 2, 5 units. But in how many days? पहला सितंबर को इसने काम किया, 2nd सितंबर इसने काम किया, तो 5 यूनिट बने टोटली 2 डेज में. तो 5 यूनिट्स हमारे 2 days. In 2 days they got ready. But what is the total work? 30 units. 30 units. Now can you see here? 5 into which number is 30? Alternate days, we use this concept. Alternate days, this. Use this concept. 5 units in 2 days, then our target is 30 units. 5 into which number is 30? 5 into 6. Your work is increasing by 6 times. 6 गुना ज़्यादा बढ़ गया. So time will also increase by 6 times. Into 6, this also will be into 6. So this 2 into 6 will be 12 days. Answer for the question will be 12. I hope if you have done this question, you will understand. Next is number series 5, 25, 125 question. Numbers are getting into 5. Into 5 is here. So into 5, 625 will be the result. Average age of 7 boys. Number of students and average is given. So many times this type of question is come. So whenever you have average, multiplied by number is nothing but total. या फिर sum boys. तो average कितना है? 20 है. How many boys? 7. Basically total age of 7 boys is 20 into 7, 140. Average age of first 6 boys. 6 boys average कितना है? 19.5. How much it is? 19.5. I think ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट हुआ था किसी और बैच में भी. 19614 और 6 ये हो गया 317. Difference of these two, that is nothing but 23. This is the 7th person age. So 23 years will be the age of 7th person. Difference of this and this will be the age of this. Next question is number series type of question. 31, 7, 25, 13, 19. और क्या है? 2 बार 19 आ गया, 13 आ गया. हिंट क्या याद रखना है आपको? वेरिएबल सीरीज बहुत लंबा, इस टाइप से बहुत सारे नंबर्स आते हैं इसमें. यू कैन ट्राई द डिफरेंस, लेकिन क्या होगा नंबर आप होगा नहीं आंसर. तो जब भी सीरीज बहुत बड़ा आएगा, वेरिएबल सीरीज विल बी लिटिल लेंथियर नंबर सीरीज. तो अल्टरनेट ट्राई करो. अल्टरनेट कैसे ट्राई करेंगे? फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, हियर टू हियर, हियर टू हियर, लाइक दिस. फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, here to here, and here to here. What is happening from 31 to 25? We are getting minus 6. 25 to 19, minus 6. 19 to 13, minus 6. Similarly, 7 to 13 is nothing but plus 6. 13 to 19 is plus 6, yes. And 19 plus 6. 19 plus 6 is again 25. 25 should be the result of this. 1589 मिलीग्राम इन ग्राम्स. तो याद रखिए सबसे पहली बात तो 1 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1000 mg. ठीक है. एंड इसका उल्टा अगर आपको करना है, 1 mg इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी ग्राम्स. हाउ मेनी ग्राम्स अगर पूछा है तो याद रखना है क्या करना है आपको? 1 डिवाइडेड बाय, आंसर विल बी 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1000 ग्राम्स. ये 1 mg इज इक्वल टू 1 by 1000. नाउ हाउ मेनी mg इज गिवन? आप पैरासिटामोल टैबलेट खाते हैं, पैरासिटामोल 500 mg मतलब आधा ग्राम, हाफ ग्राम. तो सिमिलरली हियर 1589 mg is there. I have to convert to gram. 1 divided by क्या किया था? 1000. यहाँ पे भी convert by 1000. ये हो गया हमारा grams. Options are in decimal. 1 2 3 zeros. 1 2 3. Place your decimal after 3 digits from this side. 1.589 grams. Difference of two number is 2. Okay. So let the numbers be x and y. Difference is 2. The difference of their squares is 28. Means square of this number will be x square. Square of this number will be y square. This difference is how much? 28. Find the sum. We want x plus y equal to how much? Now, do you know one formula over here, everyone? X square minus y square equal to x plus y into x minus y. You may have studied like a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. You can use that. X square minus y square कितना है? 28 है. Okay. X plus y question mark में है, तो that only we have to find. X minus y difference is 2. Yes. So we will cancel, simplify it. 2 ones are 2. Just check it. 2 ones are 2. 2 14s are 28. So x plus y is equal to 14. X plus y equal to 14. The sum of these two numbers, that is sum, is basically 14, 14, 14. Answer is option number A. Probability. Event cannot occur. The probability means a probability, remember. The probability of any event lies between 0 to 1 always. The probability always lies between 0 to 1. Okay, possible events को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Possible event को बोलेंगे हम ये 1, और cannot occur, not possible को हम बोलते हैं something like not possible, इसको बोलते हैं 0. The probability of something event cannot occur, ठीक है, एक घटना नहीं घटती तो उसकी प्रायिकता क्या होगी? तो ये होगी बेसिकली 0. अगर नहीं होता तो उसको आपको लिखना है 0, अगर वो होगा पॉसिबल होगा तो उसे आपको लिखना है 1. मूविंग अहेड नेक्स्ट. Polygon has 44 diagonals. What is the number of sides? एक भी क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली फॉर्मूला बेस्ड आया है. इसमें एक फॉर्मूला आपको याद रखना है. डायगोनल इक्वल टू x into x minus 3 डिवाइड बाय, ये x क्या है? x इज द नंबर ऑफ साइड्स. ये क्या है? नंबर ऑफ साइड्स. अब नंबर ऑफ साइड्स आई थिंक गिवन है नहीं, वी हैव टू फाइंड. हमें x ढूंढना है. Diagonals are given. 44 is given. X I don't know. We'll simplify this. X into x, x square. X into x, x square. X into 3 is how much? 3x. Divided by 2. Cross multiply. 2 into 44, 88. This is x square minus 3x. Can you see? X square minus 3x means a quadratic equation will be formed. If you just move this all number one side, if you just move this all number one side, it will look something like this. X square minus 3x. This number is coming this side. ये number इधर से उधर आ रहा है. minus 88 equal to 0. तो ये क्या बन गया हमारा? ये हमारा बन गया quadratic equation. क्या बन गया? Quadratic equation. कहाँ गए हम? Next here. तो ये बोलते हैं इसको हम quadratic equation. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का भी क्वेश्चन आ गया. देखो कैसे क्वेश्चन. तो यहाँ पे याद रखना है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स शुड बी 88 एंड सम ऑफ टू नंबर्स शुड बी -3. ऐसे दो नंबर बताओ जिनका प्रोडक्ट आता है 88. मुझे पता है 11 के टेबल में 11 8s are 88, 11 8s are 88 एंड do we will we get sum? ठीक है, 11 into 8 is 88. whether sum or difference, not necessarily sum, it can be difference also. क्या 11 minus 8 3 आ रहा है? हाँ आता है. तो we'll write 11 and 8. 11 8s are 88, but I want minus sign. How will we get minus sign? Write minus, write it plus here. Minus 11 plus 8 is minus 3. Yes, and minus 11 into plus 8, minus 11 product of this is minus 88. Sum of these two numbers is minus 3. That means what we have taken is absolutely correct. This is the shortcut method of quadratic equation. Another method I hope you have done by using the formula by taking the x. I am using directly the shortcut. Change the signs now. Compulsory. Plus 11 minus 8. So answer will be positive. Answer for the question will be positive. Plus 11 means x की value कितनी आ गई? That is nothing but x is equal to 11. And x क्या था आपका? Sides. Sides will be 11 in this case. I hope if you have done quadratic equation, you know this. Reasoning equation, find the odd word. Wheel, train, bus, boat. ये ट्रांसपोर्ट को यूज करते हैं. ये बस ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए, ट्रेन भी ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए. तो wheel is the odd one out. So answer for the question will be wheel. It is not used for the transport. It is only the Equipment. These are the vehicles for transport. ये क्या है? चूज आउट द ऑर्डर: टेलर, बार्बर, ब्लैकस्मिथ, कारपेंटर। ठीक है, तो टेलर कपड़े सिलता है, अच्छा, मतलब उसको कपड़ा चाहिए, ही वांट्स अ क्लॉथ। ठीक है, देन दिस कारपेंटर नीड्स द वुड आल्सो समथिंग, है ना? आई मीन द ब्लैकस्मिथ को बेसिकली आयरन एंड ऑल ही वांट्स। बार्बर बेसिकली क्या है? बार्बर विल बी द आंसर फॉर द क्वेश्चन। इसमें से सब कुछ सबसे हटके जो लगता है वो बार्बर लगता है, ठीक है ना? बार्बर विल बी द आंसर फॉर द क्वेश्चन। यू कैन जस्ट टेल मी इन द चैट बॉक्स व्हाट यू फील। बार्बर, मुझे तो लग रहा है बार्बर ही होगा इसका आंसर, बट यू कैन कमेंट व्हाट योर आंसर, व्हाट इज द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। क्लियर, कॉन्ट्रास्ट, वॉश, कॉन्स्टेंटली चेक। क्या है? अरेंज अल्फा इन अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर। डिक्शनरी के हिसाब से, अकॉर्डिंग टू द डिक्शनरी वी हैव टू अरेंज। According to dictionary, first word will be wash, WASH, wash. B comes first, then C आता है. But C में भी देखो next letter LOOLEFGH, H पहले आता है ना? ABCDEFGH, तो CHECK check वाला हो गया, wash हो गया, फिर क्या आएगा next? CON, L पहले आएगा, L पहले आएगा, clear. CLEAR, clear will come first. Then contrast will come first or constant. Can you see these words? CON is common. उसके बाद में T आ रहा है, S आ रहा है. T पहले आता है या S पहले आता है? What comes first? Because R is T. S will come first. So let's write this. Constantly हो गया. Last word will be constract. नहीं, contract ऐसे. Contract. Question asked is pick the word that comes second last. So this is the second last. Constantly is the last. I hope you have understood these all questions. अच्छा, एक और क्वेश्चन है अभी तक, ठीक है? मुझे पता नहीं कितने क्वेश्चन हो गए। अब एक AWAKE, अब एक को हमने राइट किया ZVJD। तो फ्रेंड को कैसे लिखेंगे? FRIEND, फ्रेंड विल बी रिटन दिस। कैन यू सी? ये D के बाद में E आता है, J के बाद में K आता है, Z के बाद में E आता है, V के बाद में W आता है, Z के बाद में E आता है। तो इससे पहले बताओ, E से पहले D आता है, F से पहले क्या आता है? व्हाट कम्स बिफोर F? E आता है। PQR, Q आता है। बिफोर R व्हाट कम्स? Q। बिफोर I HI। बिफोर E D। L से पहले LMN M। Before D C। C D M N D E H I Q R E F। E Q H T, E Q H T, E Q H T। Here also there। M C last में क्या है? MCR। Yes। Option number D is the answer for the question. Number series again. चलो last. I think this is the last question maybe. 10, 16, 23, 31 question. We'll go with the difference. +4 +5 +6 +7 हो रहा है, 4 + 3 7, and यहाँ पे 7 8 +8, but 4 5 6 7 8, then it will be 9. What is the answer for the question? Option B is the answer. So with this we have covered all the questions which were asked in this examination. Thank you each and everyone for watching. Share with your friends and you can comment what you need extra. Yes, thank you everyone. Bye bye. See you.